I could take this opportunity to describe the geologic cross-section that we're going to be looking at in this week's blog post and using our skills of determining the relative ages of different units of rock. And so the three units of bedrock that are of interest are units E, D, and C. So things you should be looking at is we see that these lines going through E like this. These lines are suggesting that this rock has layering. It's a stratified rock. And so of the three types of bedrock we learned about, sedimentary rocks are stratified rocks. So rock unit E is a stratified rock. It's a sedimentary rock. Rock unit D, you see it starts down here, it extends up, and it moves in these directions. Let me erase all this ink. The lines going in random directions, it's hard to see in this image, but they're going in random directions, suggests that this is a crystalline rock. So it's either igneous or metamorphic. I don't know if you see these dashed lines, these hash marks that look like this. In rock unit E, you can see there's some in rock unit F, and there's some in rock unit C. These hash marks represent thermal or contact metamorphism. So remember, thermal or contact metamorphism is whenever rock is metamorphosed due to being exposed to the large amounts of heat that are associated with molten rock intruding into or near an existing rock. So these hash marks suggest that rock unit D has thermally metamorphosed rock units F, E, and C. All right, and then so rock unit D is an igneous rock unit. And finally, rock C has this layered pattern. There is a little bit of a curve to it. See, that curve follows this curve of D. So it looks like it was kind of pushed up. It was straight and pushed up by D. But this block-like pattern is usually what's used for, you can see that block-like pattern up here, 2 and A. It's usually used for limestone, which is another stratified or layered rock. It's a sedimentary rock. So C is also a sedimentary rock. So of the three rocks, you got to determine the relative age, E, D, and C. E is a sedimentary rock, C is a sedimentary rock, and D is an igneous rock. And we have these hash lines that surround D that indicate the thermal metamorphism of the surrounding rock by D. But you'll notice that there are no hash marks in B next to D, but there are in E, C, F, and M. Thank you.